How to find your wallet address on Exodus. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you find your wallet address on Exodus. So let's get started. On this process, after you open Exodus, you'll got such interface as of your portfolio, and from here you'll have to just scroll down to find all of the coins of your Exodus account. And after you scroll down, you can find all of your different coins available on Exodus. And now from here, to find your wallet address of a specific coin, you'll have to just tap on that coin. Alright, from this interface, click on receive, and from here you can easily find your specific coin wallet address from here. So as usual, you can click on the option copy to copy your wallet address on your clipboard, as you can also share the QR code of your wallet address. So from here you can as usual copy the wallet address of your specific coin, and from that way you can as usual share your wallet address to any platform. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.